Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Can-Am SPYDER RTS SE5. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 19,798 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the SPYDER will need front turn signal bulbs replaced. We measured this trike's charging output at 13 volts. The front left tire is at 330 seconds, as is the front right, and the rear is at 830 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the front tires are worn unevenly and are borderline dry rot. The right handlebar is loose, the ignition switch does not activate the hood and seat latches, the aftermarket seat latch is broken with no way to lock the seat down, the hood latch is inoperable and does not hold the lid shut, the trunk shock does not hold the lid open, and the aftermarket turn signal LEDs have many inoperable LED lights. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This trike has one key and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with a Corbett seat, a rider backrest, a rear fender mud flap, and front fender LED light strips. This trike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.